Hi there, I'm Dr. Susan Hartley, and I'm so glad you're here today. If your shoes feel tighter by the evening, if your feet and ankles look puffy at the end of the day, you're not alone. Many women and men over 60 experience this, and most of them brush it off saying, "Oh, it's just old age." But here's what I tell every patient who comes to me with this. Your feet are trying to tell you something. And if you listen, you can catch serious health problems early and even feel light on your feet again. Today I'll share why your feet swell more at night, what hidden dangers it could signal, and 7 proven steps to fix it, starting tonight. So please, before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And tell me in the comments where you're watching from. I love reading your stories. Let's get started. Why do my feet swell at night? Here's what's happening in your body. When you sit or stand for long periods during the day, gravity pulls fluid down into your feet and ankles. Normally, your veins and lymph system push that fluid back up. But as we age, those systems get weaker, and fluid starts to pool in your lower legs. That's why you feel heavy, tight, or even see swelling by the evening. Take Helen, one of my patients. She's 68, walks every morning, but by evening, she said her feet felt like lead weights and her shoes wouldn't fit. She thought it was normal, but it turned out her veins were weak and her salt intake was making it worse. What hidden dangers does it signal? Even though swelling isn't always serious, sometimes it's a warning sign of bigger problems. Poor circulation, venous insufficiency. Weakened valves in your veins allow blood to pool in your legs. Heart trouble. If your heart isn't pumping strongly enough, fluid builds up in your feet and sometimes your lungs. If you also feel short of breath or unusually tired, see your doctor. Kidney or liver problems. These organs regulate fluids. If they're struggling, it shows up as swelling. Too much salt. Not enough water. Salt makes your body hold water, and dehydration makes it worse. Side effects of medications. Some common medications can also cause swelling. And here's when to call your doctor right away. Only one foot or leg is swollen. Sudden, painful swelling. Redness, warmth, or skin changes. Chest pain or trouble breathing. These could mean a blood clot or heart failure. 7 proven steps to fix it, starting tonight. Now here's the good news, you don't have to live with this. Here are the same steps I gave Helen, and they worked wonders for her. Elevate your legs before bed. Lie down and prop your feet above heart level for 10-15 minutes. Let gravity help drain the fluid. 2. Wear compression socks. Put them on in the morning before swelling starts. They support your veins and improve circulation. 3. Move every hour. Your calf muscles act as pumps, so don't sit or stand still too long. Walk around or do simple ankle stretches every hour. 4. Cut back on salt drink. More water. Swap salty snacks for fresh fruits and vegetables. Drink a full glass of water at night. 5. Sleep smart. Keep a small pillow under your feet to keep them slightly elevated through the night. 6. Check your medications. Talk to your doctor to see if your medicine is contributing to the problem. 7. Manage your weight. Stay active. Even losing just a few pounds can help take pressure off your veins and improve circulation. Helen's story, a new beginning. When Helen followed these steps, elevating her legs, lowering salt, wearing compression socks, her swelling almost disappeared in just weeks. Now she says, "My feet feel light again. I can even wear my favorite shoes to dinner without worrying." If she can do it, so can you. Final thoughts, your next step. Your feet are carrying the weight of your whole life. Don't ignore them when they're trying to speak to you. Tonight, take just one step. Elevate your legs, drink a glass of water, and tomorrow go for a short walk. Small choices add up to big changes. If you'd like, you can download my free guide, Healthy Legs After 60 7-Day Action Plan. Link is in the description, and don't forget, like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Share it with someone who needs to hear this. And tell me in the comments, what do you notice about your feet in the evening? Your health, your choice, your future? It all starts with one small step. Take it tonight. Now that you've learned what causes your feet to swell in the evening, and how you can fix it starting tonight, let's take it a step further. Because here's the truth. If you take care of your legs and circulation now, you're not just preventing swelling. You're protecting your heart, your brain, your kidneys, and your independence for years to come. So here's my long-term healthy legs plan. 1. Make leg care a daily habit. Don't wait for the swelling to get worse before acting. Even on days you feel fine, elevate your legs, wear your socks, move every hour. Your veins will thank you. 2. Strengthen your veins' arteries. Eat more foods rich in antioxidants, like berries, leafy greens, and dark chocolate. Omega-3 fatty acids from fish and flaxseed also strengthen your blood vessels. 3. Move more than you sit. If you watch TV or sit at a desk for long hours, stand up every 30-45 minutes. Even just 1 to 2 minutes of walking in place can improve circulation. 4. Stay hydrated mind. The salt. Most people don't realize how dehydrated they are, especially as we age. Drink a full glass of water with every meal and avoid salty snacks at night. 5. Check your numbers regularly. Monitor not just your blood pressure, but also your weight and blood sugar. These numbers are connected to circulation and swelling too. 6. Reduce stress. Chronic stress constricts your blood vessels and makes fluid retention worse. Take a few deep breaths, stretch, or meditate each day to calm your system. 7. Treat your feet kindly. Wear comfortable shoes that don't squeeze your toes. Pamper your feet with a warm Epsom salt soak once a week to relax tired veins and muscles. Your story can inspire others. One of the things I love most about this community is hearing your stories. If you've tried any of these steps and noticed a difference, please share it in the comments. Your journey might inspire someone else to take their first step today. And if you'd like even more tips, don't forget to download my free guide, Healthy Legs After 60 7-Day Action Plan. Link is in the description. Your next step. Tonight. So tonight, pick just one thing from this video. Elevate your legs before bed. Go for a short evening walk or drink a glass of water before you sleep. You don't have to change everything at once, but you do have to start. And remember, you are stronger and more capable than you realize. Your health, your confidence, your future, it's all waiting for you. Until next time, I'm Dr. Susan Hartley, and I believe in you. Take your first step tonight.